Good day again, YouTubers. I do this video already with one of my fixing a microwave. The microwave was eating, but not to the level that it should be. But the Magnetron, it was testing good, but further diagnosed showing that it was bad. So I'm going to do a next video to show you how I test both of them. So first you're going to get your multimeter and put it on continuity. Okay. So here's the two Magnetron. First, test the terminal, continuity. You must not get any continuity when touching the shell. So, see? This Magnetron is good. Testing this one also. Test the shell. No continuity. No continuity. So you would say this Magnetron is also good, but this one is no good. Reason being, it's testing okay, but you also got the test check the magnet that it is not damaged, and this one it have a damaged magnet. If you look, you see that it's cracked. So it will be working, but there will be heat, but not enough heat because the magnet is damaged. This one, all magnet is intact, no crack. See, there's no crack. And also test here, check here, there's no burn. This one, if you look right here, if you are seeing it clearly, there is a burn right here, and also the crack. So we know this one is testing good, but further diagnosis you will see that the damaged magnet will make it bad. So you will not get enough heat when it's in the microwave. Even though it's heating up, you will see that it should be very hot, but it's not. So that's how you test. Even though you test them and it's showing good, sometimes you have to pull them out to further check around it to see what's causing the problem. Because when I check, I test the capacitor was good, the high voltage diode was good, I test the transformer was okay. I also test the interlock switch. The two interlock switch was working, which is the primary switch, and I checked the monitor switch, which was the primary switch. Everything was working okay. So when I first checked, everything was working okay, so I was wondering what would cause it not to be eating up fully. So when I pull it out now to do further eye inspection, then I see that just the damaged magnet is the culprit. So that's it. So again, just thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like the video and share. Okay, so I will be putting up more videos like these as time goes by. Okay, thank you. And also, if you have any comment, just drop the comment in the comment section and I will reply to you. Okay, thank you for watching.